Hi everyone, it's me Jo. I have been testing out some brand new content for my YouTube channel and I wanted to bring you a vertical video. Now we'll see if this works in the YouTube format. So I started off with some gorgeous humble CBD, which I'm loving at the moment. Got some more updates because I'm a huge fan of CBD and I think we wanted to keep calm in this crazy pandemic. With the skin, I'll just add some details in the description below, but I'm going to be going in just with clean skin and giving myself a quick lymphatic drainage massage, which just depuffs the face. With the brows, I'm starting off with some NYX brow gel and then filling in the gaps. I'm growing back the shape of my brows after kind of having them a little bit thin. So I want them to be a bit thicker and I'm just filling in all the hairline. This is basically a Mayron. It's a mix of a grey and a brown eyeshadow. With the face, I'm going to be using Illamasqua Skinbase, but obviously because I've got moisturiser on, it's not going to be a full to medium coverage foundation. It's going to be blended really far into the skin. Now I'm neating up the hairline again, and we're just going to go in with some concealer. Now earlier in the video, I used some Huda concealer. I'm now setting through with some Dermacolor set powder, which is really straightforward and easy peasy. I like it because it just gives a natural sheen to the finish of the face. Huda on the lips, just neatening up with some concealer, but basically taking things off as I apply them so it's very thin. Using some Maxfactor 2000 calories, going around the actual perimeter of the face with some contour by Dominic Cosmetics. Just adding some depth to the eyes, and here we go. Adding some more videos specifically to Instagram, so check them out, the links below, and hopefully you like them. See you on my next video and take care.